Hey guys, welcome back to Bloody Knuckles Garage. Today we're going to be doing something nice and simple we can all do before winter. Change the wiper blades. These ones are crap. So generally don't even need tools to do this. There's a little tab here. Now usually squeeze it in. Just one-handed here. Squeeze it in and then pull. Oh my gosh, squeezing. Where's it? Pull. Oh, lift out. Oh, there we go. And it's off. So this thing has a hole in it that the tab, where is it? The tab goes into. Okay, and then getting the new one on is just about as easy as that. Okay, now the new ones are going to come with all kinds of adapters and things, but generally straight out the pack you can make this work. So now seeing where the hook is, seeing where this is, we want the hook to slide over this stuff in here. Don't put them on this way, put them on this way. Okay, so just kind of flatten it out a bit, jam it in there, click, and that's it. A lot of people pay an extra 50-60 bucks when they bring their car in to get their wipers changed, but I don't know why. I don't even have tools and I'm holding the camera with one hand, so. Alright, good luck on your own wiper changes. Hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.